Welcome, in front of me is a Narzo 50i Prime, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, hold your power key, and when you see your boot options you can hold power off. This will then bring up a little window right here, reboot to safe mode. So confirm this by tapping on OK. As you can see, after a couple seconds the device will reboot, and once it boots back up fully it will be then in safe mode. Now I'll warn you that in safe mode only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so you can troubleshoot your phone from there. And there we go. As you can see, there is the safe mode, and there we go. Now widgets don't seem to work here as well, and on the second page you can see a bunch of apps that won't work as well. They're grayish and semi-transparent, so if you try to open them up, as you can see, it gives you this pop-up, and they, I believe, will be only visible on the home screen. In the app tray they do not appear at all. So anyway, once you're done with your safe mode, to leave it, all you would do is hold the power key and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will be back in a normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.